Hi everyone, my name is Rachel Johnson. I teach math at NWTC. So I know right now everybody has been going through a lot of change, making a lot of adjustments, whether it's school, family, work. Everyone's situation is different and everyone is going through a lot right now. So I just want to talk a little bit about math classes this summer at NWTC. I've had a couple classes this spring. A few started online and we had to make some adjustments. A few started in person, and then after spring break we started doing class web conference. It's definitely been a lot of change, some good, some bad, but everybody is adjusting. I want to give a shout out to all my students who have done an amazing job rising to the occasion and doing very well in class and ending successfully. And for those that were not able to finish classes and had to withdraw, that's totally understandable too. This is a time where priorities may have changed and we need to put, different aspects of our life first. Sometimes that means making a priority over school. So those of you that this was the case and you had to withdraw, if now is going to be the time this summer to take classes again, that's awesome and we are excited to have you again. If not, then we understand that that might have to come a little later. For those that are new to NWTC, welcome. We are so excited to have you with us this summer. So our classes had started off some being online to begin with, and will continue to be online and completely flexible. Some of our classes we were going to offer in person that now we've had to adjust, and there will be some web conference aspects to the class, and then some online aspects to the class to allow flexibility. So whatever class you're taking, there will be multiple ways of learning the content of the course. So some mix of web conference where it's just like being in class, but you're at home, your instructor's at home, and still interacting though one-on-one with your instructor and with your classmates. So I want to give a couple of key pieces of advice as we begin classes this summer. My first piece of advice is to be sure to watch any class recording that you cannot attend. So if there is a scheduled time for the class and class is occurring, web conference, and you are not able to be there and listen in real time, or if you're having technology issues, maybe you're only catching half of what's being said, make sure to watch the recordings that are posted later on. Especially in the first class, there's going to be a lot of important information given to you by your instructor. So it's going to be very critical to watch any sort of recording your instructor sends to you. Also, with that, second key piece of advice is to check your email on a regular basis, several times a week, if not every day, and make sure you're checking your NWTC email. Personal emails do not always go through to instructors, so make sure you're using your NWTC email. And if you're having any issues or it doesn't seem like you're getting any emails, make sure to contact the help desk. So your instructor will be emailing you and posting Blackboard announcements on a regular basis. So it's going to be really important to keep up with those so you know exactly what is happening in class. And anytime that email or Blackboard announcement includes a video, any sort of video recording, whether it's web conference or that your instructor makes it to explain directions, make sure you're watching those because there's important information that you're going to need to know to be able to get through all the assignments and content of the class. My third key piece of advice is to use the math lab. We have an awesome academic coaching staff that will be available to help you one-on-one. So be sure to take advantage of that. There will be information on how to access the math lab in your first class. This is a free resource to all NWTC students, so take advantage of it. So we, as a math team, we're always trying to improve learning for our students. We learned a lot this spring as we adjusted to teaching online and web conference, and we are looking to keep using those things that worked well this spring and make improvements on things that we see as an opportunity to improve. We're working to make this summer a great learning experience for you. We're really excited for you to join us for classes. I know each of you can be successful and know that we're here to support you. In a second, you will see information if you have questions. So the first is my name. Again, I'm Rachel Johnson. So you can see my email and phone number. And then also listed will be the Associate Dean of Math, Heidi Thomas. And so her email and phone number is listed as well. So let us know if you have questions. And we look forward to working with you this summer.